Bikono, Ibondo man negente, the good people of Biafra, upon no akamna, because of and Abiakonamoso, if our USB gospel, Abiakonamoso, because what I'm saying here now, Maka people on the Nagota hen. We need to raise a protest. I don't know a protest can get raised about our prime minister. We raise a protest. In order, we go to Finland and put more pressure there. So that then a banquet, all these things name maybe. In order, the more an banquet, the more things name maybe, So if we start doing something, the more something, we start doing something. It can happen all these things every day. And why now fundraising is coming now very soon now. Fundraising. If any now, we go near our people on NATO. We have the money. I have 100 Ghana somebody do one in one place, in one boss, sign just to keep quiet. No, our people go now contribute into this struggle. They go the too much. If we got I got sent up a go again, your lawyer now be able the problem. No. Opo hebun sobu. Opo he gaga ku lawyer bun sobu. But only the onion will rise up. Bikono. Because check what happened to our leader. Here we raise protests. We won't have any protest here until the DOS Nigeria department had to do everything. Rasa think that they will succeed. No, Abu onye nkwechi ekwe. One ikwe na ndị enweghị ike imeri anyị. Anyị ma ife anyị na-achọ. Le ife anyị nọ n'ọbụ ala bekee. Onwere onye ife ọma na anyị ha dị mma. Only for the coke, Guregu saying the former Anya Baraco, or when the former Hakamazan and the cannon never go with Ryan and Ibo. On one quick force or do hold your Ozoro. On one point, Gassino Budiema, Mobusuno Curio, Mobroben and Kebia Lepe Gio or Godoba Guru Joe do it Mobno for me. Not to know me. People are banqueting. Mazi Simon, but the same thing now, our Prime Minister, look at him. Onion volunteer everything he have in his life. Volunteer everything. Upon the gas and Katana, no one on your guard gives you some of no one or something. No, on your word and or you guys second or be down or Coco. I call him nature if you find out what it means because you only forget make it no way because no garden. So came we fuck it and came we fuck I drew okay not to go chia beacon. Our deputy prime minister, Honorable Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I respect you. I respect you so much, because of you are trying. I know the kind of person able. But now I told him no. And I thought, okay, I don't mean no one over. So now if I'm so now I'm no pressure we are going to put. Let's put pressure on these people. Let's put pressure on these people, because, but at least can you forget our prime minister and the outside, but we know what is going on. These Nigerian Zoom terrorists, I got what these people are planning. They'll be doing things on the ground. Nobody knows. As I keep quiet now, you don't communicate. Yes, he's communicating with the family, no problem. But we need to know more. Thank you so much. To viral everywhere because so when we find make it a came away no get because thank you so much. Thank you, the good people of Biafra. Ask me I don't know money, don't know mana for don't know manori, don't know mana nkwo. I had no isu na no. Oga dry in na mao. He say